Hi everybody. Oh my goodness. If I could only speak. Hi everybody and welcome to this week's video. Today we're going to be talking about the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Collection palette. This is a pro pigment palette. I was a little bit on the fence when it came to purchasing this palette. The review and look I've done today is a little bit behind. Anyway, I decided that I was going to purchase this. I love ABH palettes. I love their formula. Soft as it is beautiful to work with. So today I'm going to do this look for you. We're going to talk about the quality of this palette and why I decided to buy it. If you're interested in seeing how this palette works and what I think about it, then please keep on watching. I was kind of on the fence about buying this particular palette, not because I don't enjoy her formula, because I really do. The ABH formula has got to be one of the best I've ever tried. I like a really soft formula. It's easier to blend, especially for more mature skin like mine. So I do like that super soft formula. It goes on flawlessly and it blends out beautifully. I have the Soft Glam palette and I'm telling you, I take that palette just about everywhere with me. But when I saw this palette, it pretty much has everything in it that I would want in one palette. So there's the color scheme there. Like, it's beautiful. Look at it. Stunning. So it has the purples, which I absolutely love. And of course, the sunrise colors that I also love. And it has a black. A lot of palettes don't have the black, and I don't know why. Every palette should have a black. You can use it as liner, you can darken up the outer edges if you're like me and you have seriously hooded eyes. You know, it also has a white here. So the white there, which also I think every palette should have. This is a very potent pigmented white, so you can, you know, do the inner corner, you can do under your brow to highlight, you can set your eyelid if you want to with the white. It pretty much has everything that I want in a palette, like all in one palette. You know, the beautiful warm tone brown, blues that I like. Blue, I love blue. I love it as an eyeliner. I like it as an actual base color. Beautiful. This is a gorgeous palette. So when I saw it and I was kind of trying to decide if I wanted to buy it or not, I went back a couple of times. I'm a little bit late with this review when it comes to this palette because it took me some time to really want to buy it. But when I bought it, got it home and tried it, I'm telling you, I'm so happy. Like, these purples are absolutely stunning when you put them on the eye. They blend flawlessly. They look beautiful. They are pressed pigment, so they're going to stain your eyes. Although it didn't stain my eyes too bad, like when I tried it the first time. It was okay. So I was going to do a nice fall look. And, you know, why can't purple be a fall look? I got to do the purple look. I love these purples in here. And I actually did a look the other day. I fell in love. I only did one eye with the purples. Whew, it was so pretty. So I'm going to recreate the look that I tried the other day with the purples because honestly, beautiful. So I'm going to get my brushes out. I haven't actually done a review. I was going to do a review on these brushes, and these are the Morphe X Jeffree Star brushes. There's 10 brushes here, and as you can see, I have been using them. They are really nice to use. I like these brushes, so we're going to use those today. I'm not going to put any primer on my lids today. I am just going to, however, go in with the C1. So that is the white one right there. And I'm going to set my lids just with that. And my nose is so itchy right now. And as you can see, like, very pigmented. This white is really bright. But it's okay, it's gonna go under all the colors anyway, so that's not a big issue. And sometimes it's better to have a more pure white like that. Did you just hear that? plain. I like the color of C1, the pure white. I find that if you use a pure white or a pure black, the colors that you're going to use are going to be more true to what they actually are. So I don't think people understand that colors are always going to go on everybody a little bit differently because you have different skin tones. Now the geese are going at it. We still have a lot of geese right now in the backyard. Some of them, there has been so many geese right now moving south. I saw just yesterday alone 4 huge groups just fly through here just in a matter of an hour. I was out feeding my horse, and yeah, you couldn't help but know that they were there. They're so loud and there's so many of them. Wow. It's sad for me to see them go, but at the same time, I love fall. Fall and winter, 2 of my favorite seasons. So yeah, my favorite is on its way. All right, so I'm gonna go in with E2. So that is this one here, right there. And that's gonna go as a transition color. And I'm gonna use the same brush. This one, I'm using the brush JS8. That's a pretty fluffy brush, but that's okay. The ABH formula is definitely present in this palette, which I'm okay with. Like I said before, I really like the formula. I like it soft like that. And this is a very beautiful kind of an orangey peach color, which goes nice with purple. I want that purple definitely blends into peach really nicely, or orange, I guess. All right, I am going to go in with A3. So that is this one here, that one there. This one here has to go quite high up into my crease area, so I'm just going to look straight into the mirror. I forgot to tell you, I'm using my JS6 for this. It's got to be quite a bit higher. So I brought that purple way up on top of my crease area. Look at that purple, like it just, oh, it blends beautifully, you guys. It's gorgeous. Yeah. I'm gonna brighten this look up with this one here, so A2, that one there. I'm gonna brighten it up a little bit with that one. That is a very, really bright purple, like look at that. Wow, you guys. Very nice. Okay. I think I'm going to use my mirror here just so I can see what I'm doing. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whoa! Like that is really pretty. Dipping in again and just bringing it up. So I have to bring that one a little bit higher as well, because I want it to be seen. That is gorgeous. Like really, really pretty. Pretty. And you know what? For being as bright as it is, it still looks beautiful. Like it just makes the whole look gorgeous. Oh yeah. And I love purple. I mean, so Some people have said, you know, purple is kind of the back in the 80s type of look. It was, yes, pink, purples, blues, but everything, all those colors are coming back, obviously. They're in palettes, so. Now I'm going to just use my finger. I just prefer to use my finger, and we are going to go in. I'm going to go in with B3. We're going to keep this very, very pink look. So B3 is right here. That's that one. Oh, look at that beautiful pink. Yeah, it's nice. Very nice. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a pretty palette. I'm glad I bought it. Like I said, I wasn't gonna buy it, but I'm glad I bought it. All right, and then just for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with A1, so that one there. And with my finger, as per usual, just brighten that inner corner up a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go in with A2 again and just brighten that outer edge back up. I really want that purple to pop, so I'm gonna bring that back. Just kind of blend it into the other one there. There we go. Yes, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna go finish up the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my brows, eyelashes, lips, everything is done. I'll leave a list below for you so you can see what I used for this look today. So I just have to finish under my eyes. I'm gonna go back into the Norvina palette and I think I'm going to go in with the color CA. So this one here, that one, for my lower lash line. I'm using the brush JS10 for that. And I'm just going to put a little bit of something under my eye just to, you know, kind of finish off the look a little bit. He wants in, he wants out. He wants in, he wants out. Damn dogs. I'm going to blend that out a little bit with my JS17 and just go under there and blend everything together. I don't know if you can hear him, but that's Teddy. I'm babysitting my mom's dog. And he wants in now. He wanted out before. Then he wants in. Out, in, out, in. All my animals are like that. My cat, my senior cat, he wants in and out probably about 20 times per day. He drives me nuts. Love him, but he drives me nuts. So that's the final look with the Norvina palette. I really enjoyed how this palette actually went on my eyes. It was so fast. It blends so nicely. As per all the ABH palettes, I find because they're so soft, they just blend beautifully. And you know, I didn't even have to put a primer on my eyes. I did, however, set my eye with the white in here. You can get it at her website, which I will leave a link to her website below. You can also get it from Sephora. The packaging is nice. It's very sturdy, so you won't have any problems there. It's flat. It's quite a big palette. You're actually getting quite a bit of product in here. The blendability of all the ABH products are just amazing, and that's why I decided to get off the fence and actually go buy this palette. I am going to really enjoy using this. I love the purples. I love that it has a black in there and a pure white in there. Those are two colors I think every palette should have. Every palette should have. It's time for me to head on out. You guys have a great weekend and I would love to see you for my next video. Bye.